Guys, so with my favorite oatmeal, I really love this one too, from Trader Joe's, but I've come to the conclusion that this one's better. It's just so much more creamier. So I have 2/3 cup of water put in here, and now I'm going to add half of a scoop of my favorite protein. You guys, I love this protein so much. This one and the blueberry one are my top fave. They also have a lemon one that's really good. But anyways, I'm gonna put half a scoop of this in, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of almond milk, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Jason, Indy, and I are currently going to go on an adventure. Right, Ins? Don't mind my messy shoe area. I'm driving, so I won't be able to vlog much, but I wanted to hop on because I'm going to bring you guys with. I'm going to show you my lunch. I don't really know how to track it, but we're going to Subway, and I wanted to share with you guys what I'm getting. So, let's head out. Indy wants to go bye-bye. You so excited? I gotta grab my water. Okay, let's go. Waiting. Okay, let's go. Gotta unbuckle her, babe.
Get in.
Good job, Indy.
Come here.
We go to Subway. Oh my goodness, we go to Subway. I love you. Okay, you guys, we're going bye-bye now, so I won't be recording, but I just wanted to bring you guys with a little bit. Indy loves to go bye-bye. Don't you, Indy? Yeah, is that Daddy? Okay, we're gonna go get Subway. What'd you get for Subway, Jay?
Same thing as you.
Chicken breast. Park. Look at Subway. Indy's so excited. Do you love friends? You smelling the fresh air. Hey, you be nice.
Hey.
Go get my food. I wanted to talk to you guys while Jason's inside, not that it matters, but I was really good yesterday on my points, and I woke up and I dropped a few pounds, obviously water weight, but I'm excited to see where he'll be right back. Don't worry, Dad's coming back. I'm excited to see where I'll be at the end of next week, or at the beginning of next week, because this week I am going hard with Weight Watchers. I'm gonna stick to all my points, drink all my water. Today's Subway, to be honest, you guys, is kind of high in points, but it's because of the sauce. I got sweet onion teriyaki sauce, but it's 4 points. I just don't know how to calculate it because it says 4 points for the salad, which I'm assuming would be the same as a sandwich. I don't know, whatever the case, but it's okay. I got oven roasted chicken breast with pepper jack cheese. Okay, I'm gonna Indy enough. Okay, you guys, here comes Jay. See you at the house. Guys, so I am making dinner, or Jason and I made dinner, and these are these really cute plates I got at Target for their summer. They were in the dollar section area, and they're just so cute for summer. They got little anchors. If you guys don't know, my best friend and I have anchor tattoos, so I love those. Thank you, Jason. There's what they really look like, so super cute, and they're like matte finish, so they just feel really good. I really like them. Hey you guys, I made tater tot hot dish. This goes around the WW community a lot, but I grew up as a kid eating it just like this. So what we have here is beef from Jason's sister's farm, so fresh beef. Don't really know how to track it. I just do 90-10. It's probably 80-20, but it's fine. So for a fourth of this pan, Jason added more to his because I can just count how many tater tots I eat. But okay, you guys, so I just calculated you can have a fourth of the dish, just the meat and the vegetable mixture, with like the cream of mushroom soup and everything for 6 points. And then I'm gonna have 12 mini tater tots for 4. You can have 19 for 6 though. Let's see how many we can get for 4 points. So I can actually have 15 tots for 4 points. Always use that, guys. It's a good trick. So get the bang for your buck. And I still have 7 points left for the night. So I had my Subway today, my tater tot hot dish. I did have a turkey cheddar dog before we went grocery shopping because I was starving. Our schedules are so messed up, and then my coffee today. So guys, literally look at that. Are you kidding? Hold on, I should wipe this off quick. Okay. This is a huge bowl, by the way. Literally look at the size of my hand compared to this bowl. This is from Target too. I love Target's bowls and stuff, but this is so good. I'm gonna link everything down below exactly how I made it so you guys can make it, since I didn't show you on camera. But I didn't even have a fourth of it. I probably had like a 1/6 of mine, of the pan. Jason had 2 servings. I had 1 so far. He loves tots. But I'm gonna add a little bit of salt because there's a lot of salt in the cream of mushroom, so be careful. And then some pepper. So you also can add a little cheese if you have some fat-free cheddar or fat-free mozzarella. That is also delicious in this. Why am I still awake? Oh my god, you guys, I cannot sleep at night right now.